Hi guys, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So on this video, let's talk about how to fix Instagram. This page isn't available at the moment in iPhone. So the first thing you want to do is check your internet connection. Make sure you're connected to a Wi-Fi and not your data, storage, or data that you're being connected to. Make sure you're connected to Wi-Fi, a very strong Wi-Fi at that point. Alright? After that one, I want you to go to settings and in here look for the one that says general. Because what we're going to do right here is we're looking for iPhone storage, should be around here somewhere, and we're looking for the specific application of Instagram. So it should be this one right here, and basically offload the application because there might be a bug, internal error in the application itself. All right. And for this one, once that's done and it's still having any problems, go here, look for the one that says reset and reset your network settings. There's going to be a lot of choices here, not just reset all the way. So you just want to lose and choose the reset network settings. Now, for some reason, everything is still going to be a problem. Go to the App Store, make sure your Instagram is up to date. Because most of the times, any problems encountered in any application, meaning the application is out of date. Other than that, you could be good to go. So thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you guys on the next one.